Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will create 3D stairs. So let's get started. First I will go here in layer panel and I will create a layer here and I will give it a name as 3D stairs. Okay. Then I will go here and I will make this as a default or a current layer from here, and I will go here again. Now let's just check the detail of the stairs. So I will just go here in top view, and from here I will check the details first. I will go here in section, and here you can see riser is 225 millimeter and the tread is 300 millimeter. And now you can see here the last step of the stair is, let me check it, the height is, the last step is 175 millimeter, not 300 millimeter. Okay, sorry, not 225 millimeter. So last step will be 175 millimeter and all others will be 225 millimeter. So I will just go here again in layer panel. Let me just change the color from here. For example, I need stair color as this color and I will press OK. Now again I will just change the view from here and I will go into southwest isometric view and I will start creating stairs here. Okay, so in this case I will just go here in box command and I will just create a stairs. So I will just give first point as this point and second point as this point. Okay, and third point I have to just give a height, okay, or riser. So riser is 225 millimeters, so I will give this one. Now we have to just count the steps from this point to this point. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 steps. So we have to copy 10 step here. Okay, so let's see how to do this. I will just take a copy command. I will hit enter, then I will just copy from this point. Okay, from this point, sorry, and I will copy it here on the top of this. Okay, like this. Again on the top of this, 1 2 3, then 4, then 5, okay, 6, then 7, and then 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have to just copy 2 more. I will just give this as a base point and this as the next point and then this as the next point. Though these are 10 steps. Okay, in this direction. Let me just change the view again in southeast isometric and you can see the change here. Okay, these are the steps here. Now we have to just create a landing here and 3 steps as well here in this direction. So in this case what I will do, I will just hide this one. Okay, hide these walls. So lay off, I will just on lay off command, I will hit enter. I want to off this layer and this layer as well. Okay, now I have to just change the view again from southeast to southwest and I will create landing here. So I will just take box command again and I will just give this point as first point, this as second point, and the height is 225 and I will hit enter. Now I will just create one more here. Okay, and this is also 225 and the last step is 175 millimeter. Okay, not 225, so I will just create one more here. Okay, 175 millimeter. Let me check the riser here of last step. You can check it here. I will go here and I can check from here, maybe in this view. Yeah, 175, yes. Okay, now I will just copy this landing here over here. So I will just move it from first from this position to any other position. Now I will just copy it from here. So I will just take a move command again and I will just give this point as a base point and I will just move it here for example. Okay, now we have to copy these steps. These are 2 steps, same steps, so I will copy them again from this position to this position. Now I just want to copy this one, so I will just go here, I will take copy command and I can copy it here, but you can see the direction is not good enough to copy it here. So this is just because of UCS, so I will just change the UCS direction here. I will just go here, UCS, I will just enter a command of UCS, I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what is the origin, so I will just give this point as a origin point. Okay, then it is asking about x-axis. Okay, you can give any of the axis, so I will give this axis, and in y-axis I will give this point. Okay, let me just give this point as a y-axis. Okay, now UCS is okay. I will just move it from this position to this position. Let me just copy this again from here. I will give this point as a base point. Okay, now it is okay right now. Again I have to just copy this step or move this step from here. Okay, I will move it from here and I will move it here. Let me place this one. Now let me just change the view from here as a southeast isometric. Okay, and let's check the view from here. Okay, and you can see it is okay here. Our stair are going to create it here, and you can see this is the method how you can just create a stairs. Now I will just on all of the layers from here, lay on with lay on command. I will hit enter. Now you can see here stairs are going to create it here, and let me just, this is the height for slab here from this position to this position. In next video tutorial we will just create handrail here on the stairs. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you.